Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Saturday, August 7th, 1999, 8 am. Yes, M and J will go away. Such is their destiny. Distances don't matter. You will always remain in touch one way or the other. You will meet again. It is bound to happen. That's life. Some people are born and die in their village without having ever left it, and others rove the world. Each one has one's life, one's mission, one's karma, which must be achieved at all costs. Imagine your stay on earth as an initiatory journey, and that one day you will return to your fatherland, richer with all your experiences. You will take stock of all this and you will realize what is really brought you. There are birds that live in cages and migratory birds whose life is more educational. This educational process takes place inside and not through travel memories. Which of the two species is privileged? Not necessarily that which one can imagine. You tend to think that only travels and great epics can develop your mind as well as qualities of strength and courage. The monk who leads a cloistered life in his monastery without ever going out can earn very great wealth and have joys which great travelers do not necessarily have. They have sometimes only a superficial view of things. Each one has what is necessary for him. Do not believe that only very great adventures foster a faster evolution. Seeing, knowing are not enough to qualify you for uniting with the inner master. All is possible and can be achieved in any circumstance. There are no specific criteria to reach the goal more quickly. Only what is already inside you can thrive wherever you are if you so want, and especially with the assistance of a master, Babuji. Saturday, August 7th, 1999, 10 am. You see, my daughter, there are generous souls around you. Francoise has good intentions. She does what she can to help you. You should thank her. You are facing up to things single-handedly. It is true, but there are people of goodwill and there is also love around you. It is true that your strong personality and your vibrations attract or repel, and you cannot do anything about it. The assessment of your life, in a way, is very positive. You have helped and you are still helping a lot. Your life is far from being useless as you think in a moments of doubt. Who doesn't have doubts? The great beings themselves go through terrible moments which can lead to despair and which they cannot escape. It is inevitable. It is a human being's characteristics, whatever their life, their true nature, sooner or later, they must experience this state. This is written the range of emotions they must feel. With regard to your housekeeping problems, we will find a solution. Endure, appreciate what you have, even if that is not satisfactory. Be strong and happy for us who love you and who perceive what your heart feels in terms of heavy and trying aspect. My son also is very tired. He must attend to so many problems. He is not assisted as should be for the entire mission. He would need around him a true rescue squad. His health is not good. He goes through very difficult moments of discouragement. He is at the same time happy with the growth of the mission and overwhelmed by the extent of the responsibilities falling to him. Think of that. Help him in your heart. Send him a lot of love. Be blessed, Babuji.